Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have 3 power banks from a company called Sharge. This is the company right here. So they sent us a 10,000 milliamp tiny battery. It's not tiny, it will charge your phone about 2 times. And they sent us 2 different models of 24,000 milliamp hours, very powerful. This one does 300 watts of power, so it will deliver 300 watts, and this one does 170. This is the Shargeek 300 power bank. This is the iceMag 2 power bank. It has a built-in fan as well with RGB. It looks really cool. And this one is the Shargeek 170 with as I said, 170 watt power delivery. They all come with USB Type A and USB Type C. These are the boxes pretty much. It will tell you what it does, the capacity, what you can plug in, what you cannot plug in. But let's go ahead and unbox them now, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Let's start with the Shargeek 300 power bank. So they give us a braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Pretty much this is the standard in all of the power banks. I didn't take it out for the iceMag 2. They also give us a pouch, so you can carry it. You can carry the cables as well. It feels really premium. It's a really nice pouch. It's got the Sharge branding on it as well. We have the instruction manual, the user guide. So if you got any issues, you can join their Discord, or you can scan these codes to access their customer support, or you can also email there at info@sharge.com. They will be more than happy to help you out if you got any issues. But yeah, I suggest you give this a read, because it will help you understand the capacity and the capability of your power bank, what you can plug in and whatnot. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the accessories. Now if we have a look at the power bank itself, on the back we can see all the batteries. On the front it's got a display, and on the top it's got some ports and some buttons. So if we zoom in on the ports right here, we have a USB Type-C 140 watts, USB Type-C 140 watts. We have a USB Type A output, and we have a DC in and out that can do 140 watts as well. So there's some various devices you can plug in here with 140 watts. I'm pretty sure it can power anything you plug in there. We have the up button right here. So we have an up button, a down button, obviously for the options on the display. And we have a power on button. You will power on. You'll see a green light. That means it's on. You can start plugging devices in it, and it should work. It should charge straight away. I'm not sure if the display shows until you plug something in. Oh yeah, there we go. It shows you the battery capacity, the recharge time, total output in, total output out. Obviously, if you scroll through the options, you have various types of options right here. But for the more simplistic way, you just keep it on home. It will tell you what goes in, what goes out, and so on. So now if we have a look at the iceMag 2, this is the iceMag 2. It's got wireless charging as well, so you can charge your devices wirelessly. We have a USB Type-C in and out, and the on and off button. If we hold it in, I think it will turn on. Or maybe you have to plug something into it, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to plug something into it. The Sharge 170, same story, manual, pouch, cable, and this is how it looks like. And this one got a display as well, same type of buttons, two USB Type-C, one USB Type A. We have a button on the top that will turn it on. There we go. It looks great. This is my favorite design. Obviously, it doesn't have the output capacity of the Sharge 300. This one goes only 170, but it looks amazing. I like the triangle factor and the fact that it's see-through. You can see everything to it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. And right now I'm gonna go put it to the test. I'm gonna take the Sharge 300 and I'm gonna max out the ports with what I have, see if we can charge all of them and see what the display shows. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I plugged everything in with different cables. For example, the one that's charging my camera battery, it's a micro USB, works. My phone works, it's super fast charging. The iPhone works, same fast charging. It delivers the power they say they do. Obviously it depends on the cables, but right here you can see the wattages. So the Type C one delivers 12 watts, the Type C delivers 8 to the iPhone, and USB Type A to the battery delivers about 3 watts. You can always click like I just did on the power bank to see the values as well. You can see the volts as well and the amperage, and yeah, everything just works. If you guys want to buy the Sharge power banks, I'm gonna have a link of all 3 of them in the video description down below. They're really great power banks. The design is absolutely amazing. 300 watts, especially this one, it's absolutely great. It will power everything you have in your household, all the smartphones, tablets, even your laptop. If you have a MacBook, it will power your MacBook as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.